And then you end up having to play offensive and reach out and drop price rather than play defensive and field the offers.
Your property gets stale, like if you price it too high. Can you just talk about that a little bit more? Because I've noticed that where if a property is sat on market for a while, it just seems like people automatically think there's something wrong with it.
Because everybody's been trained that everything sells in the first 5 days, listing brokers, buyers, if it doesn't, they go, what's wrong with it? Which is, sometimes there's just nothing wrong with it. And it's also not normal to sell a house in 5 days. You know, typically it takes you, on the average of real estate, it's like 65 days to sell a house. And so people's mindset has been changed. And so if it gets stale, people think there's something wrong with it. You lose momentum, and then it just doesn't trade well. And then you end up having to play offensive and reach out and drop price rather than play defensive and field the offers. So pricing is really, really key.